Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So if you're watching this video, you probably had the same issue that I just had. I was just about to do a project and I sent the project to the printer, and instead of printing, the printer made the noise as if it was going to print, but instead it just sucked the paper right through the printer and did not print at all. So I wanted to walk you through the steps that worked for me and hope that it works for you guys as well. So the first step I did was I tried rebooting my computer. Then I went back to my project and I tried reprinting it, and the same thing happened. It did not print. So then I moved on to step 2, which was powering off my printer for 30 seconds. And then I powered it back on and I tried printing the project again, and I had the same issue. So I moved on to step 3. And step 3 was going on your computer in this search field and you type in Epson. Then you select Epson Printer Connection Checker and you double click. This will pull up the Epson Connection Checker. On the top, you'll see a drop down bar. You'll select that and you want to make sure that your Epson printer is selected. Make sure your printer is also on. It'll ask you if your printer is on and you'll select OK. Then the connection checker will now start to run a diagnostic, which might take a few minutes. Hopefully it finds the problem for you like it did for me. It should also tell you the problem it found and ask if you want to fix the problem. Select OK. Then connection checker will start fixing your problem, which might take a few minutes, and when it's done, it should hopefully tell you that you're ready to print. If it does, then try printing your project again and you should be all set. This worked for me. I hope it worked for you guys as well. Comment below and let me know if this helped you. Did it fix your issue? If you don't already subscribe, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. And if you could also hit the like button as well, since you're passing right by it. Thanks guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Also make sure to maybe go to one of my playlists and check out other videos. I'm sure that there'll be a video perfect for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.